OBD2 compliant, and supporting all 10 OBD2 modes, the Innova SDS50 is a powerful and versatile tool for any technician. The Oxygen Sensor Monitor, Mode 5, gives you detailed information about the oxygen sensor performance in the vehicle. Please note that this mode is not available for vehicles using the CAN protocol. The OBD Monitor Test, Mode 6, allows you to run diagnostic tests on emissions-related powertrain components and systems. The SDS50 retrieves the results of these tests from the vehicle's computer memory, providing you with pass or fail results for the most recent tests. The Request Control Onboard System, Mode 8, allows you to initiate testing of specific vehicle components or systems. The tool sends a command to the vehicle's computer, and once the test is complete, retrieves the results. The specific components and systems available for testing may vary depending on the manufacturer, make, and model of the vehicle. For more information, please visit us at Innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.